Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of the Gueudy. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. This is a nice ceiling fan with controllable LED lights, and you can see it's rotating right now. It has a beautiful acrylic ring on there that's molded, and the LEDs are built right into it, and the LEDs are all along the ring, and then there's also an internal little floral pattern that has the LEDs in also. It includes a nice remote. We're going to go over all the details about the remote, instruction booklet right here showing you how to use this product. But it works really well. I'm going to go over all the operation right now. If you want to rotate the fan, the remote has this button right there, and then you hit that button and you can turn rotation on and off. And rotation is really nice. It's quiet and it allows the fan to cover a pretty decent wide area. I'm about 6 feet away from the fan, and it's covering an area about 6 feet in diameter, which is really nice. And the company does provide a 1-year warranty on this product, so if you have any issues, just contact them with the Amazon messaging system. So let's go over the operation of this light. I have it mounted on my basement ceiling as an auxiliary light when I film in my studio here. And here's the remote. So you have a on-off button on the left right here. This turns it on. This will turn everything off, even if it's got the motor running, and this is the on button here. This will turn everything off. Then you have some basic controls. Here's speed controls, that's one. And then this is the highest speed, number 6, and it goes pretty fast. If you wanted to rotate, you hit that rotate button right there, and then it starts rotating real nice. Let's lower it back down to 1 so we don't hit the camera or microphone with wind. Here is the binding button that you could bind it to if it's not already binded when you get the product. And then you have another simple control right here. You have the color control right here, and you could change the color to more white or to warm white right there, and it looks all nice and warm. So it allows you to cycle between that. Then you have a brightness control, and you could dim it down really nice so that it's real dim, or raise it back up using that top button right there, and then you could increase the brightness on there. You have a timer. You have 1 hour or 2 hours. You can hit that and it will actually time out for you, so you're all set with that. That's the basic operation, and simple to use and nice. So here's more of a close-up of it. You can see how attractive it is, that beautiful acrylic on there. And you can see that the fan's acrylic and clear, so that you can see that beautiful LED floral like rose pattern on the back there. And then you can see the complicated pattern that they've chosen on the side. Really nice. And again, this is small. It's only 18 inches diameter, so that you can really use this even in a closet, a laundry room, or a small bedroom. It's not going to overpower your room that you're putting it in. So really nice. What do we think about the Gueudy brand? Their 18-inch diameter LED ring light with rotation fan, 2 directions, beautiful LED control, brightness and color, quiet fan, simple to install, simple to wire, just a hot and a neutral and a case ground, and you're all set. So this is a cool product, works well. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to alert to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. There'll be links in the information and comments section. Please use those links to order the product to help support this channel. I hope the information I presented helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.